Weather system moving into the state, and Mark's moved back into.
Yeah, what the heck? I figured I'd follow the storm in, and this storm is really not all that impressive. All right, let's go ahead and go to the Taos Ski Valley. I don't know who this guy is, but before we get things moving, and we show you throughout the day, we thicken the clouds up, and he went on by and continued the day, and you could see some of the clouds thicken throughout the afternoon and evening, and now things obviously quiet there, but we are going to see the possibility of a little snow over the northern mountains and a little bit more over the Sacramentos here over the next day or so. But this storm you will not confuse with a major league snowstorm by any stretch. 47 degrees here in the metro right now. Southwest winds at about 3 miles an hour. Temperatures at this point 20s and 30s off to the extreme north, and then as you get into areas like Santa Fe, Albuquerque, and down into Socorro, mainly the 40s. Down to the south, we're in the 40s and 50s right now. And what we anticipate here is a bit of a cool down across northeastern New Mexico into tomorrow, but the main story is definitely this guy right here. It's a low pressure system which, at least at this point, is dumping some rain and some snow across parts of northern Arizona. Now, overall with this thing, the track isn't great for us. It, number one, doesn't have a whole lot of moisture with it, but it's also going to kind of dive down to the south and push south of New Mexico with my arrows, which are a little shaky. Now, as this thing works its way down to our south, what it will do is increase our clouds across the area for tonight and into tomorrow and give us that chance at some lighter rain and snow out there. But it's not going to be anything that's going to cause too many problems for us. So just look for the increasing clouds out there, some spot showers throughout the west, but the track of this thing diving down over Mexico not helping us a whole lot. We're not drawing in a tremendous amount of moisture. Now, we will get a little front across the northeast for tomorrow. That, too, could touch off a shower or two, but again, nothing that's going to be a real big deal. More than anything else, we cool down by about 10 to 15 degrees across the northeast, and the rest of us get a chance at a scattered shower. Now, as far as snow accumulations go, 1 to 2, maybe 3 inches over the Sacramentos and over the extreme high Gila, but that's going to be about it, because as you can tell with our storm track here, a few rain and snow showers late tonight and into tomorrow morning across the northwest plateau. San Juan's of Colorado could pick up 2 to 4 inches as well out of this deal, and then as we head throughout the day tomorrow, a few more showers pop up here and there, some across the southwest, and then a few more, of course, across the Sacramentos as well. But as you can tell, it's just not real impressive stuff. And I wouldn't look for a major league storm headed in our direction until probably about the middle of next week. Then we're looking at a better chance at a stronger storm that's going to draw some more moisture and has a little better track for us, and overall more of a wet setup into next week. So partly cloudy with some spot showers and a little bit of light accumulating snow across the areas like the southern San Juans and San Juans of Colorado for tomorrow. 35 Durango tomorrow, 38 in Farmington. And then you can see things look pretty good through the weekend. And then next week, far more interesting as far as picking up some showers go at this point. Across the south and west, again, a stray shower possible tonight and into tomorrow with temperatures for the most part in the 50s with those partly sunny skies. And again, watch for an occasional shower, but not anything that's that big a deal. Spot and mountain snow will be possible over the Sacramentos for tomorrow, but that's going to be about it, because the rest of southeastern New Mexico is going to be pretty quiet. 52 for tomorrow, 50s as we head throughout the weekend, and by Sunday, though, we should be even into the low 60s with those partly to mostly sunny skies. Across the northeast, big change here. Won't be a lot of rain or snow. It will be much cooler temperatures. 40 Capulin, 42 Raton, 40 in Mora, and 44 in Las Vegas. Today, some of these areas hit 60, so obviously temperature's going to come down a bit thanks to that cold front. Across the northern mountains and into south central Colorado, temperatures in the 30s and low 40s for tomorrow. Partly sunny. A spot shower is a possibility. Your Santa Fe 7-day outlook overall looking pretty good with temperatures up into around the 50-degree mark by Saturday and into Sunday. And we watch next week for that possibility of another storm working its way on in here, and we really, really need one. If you go up in the northern mountains, we don't have enough snow. That's the bottom line. 45 Edgewood, 40 into Harris tomorrow, 48 in Estancia. Stray shower a possibility. Stray snow shower, too, up into the Sandias. And here in the metro area, temperatures 40s and 50s, partly cloudy. An isolated shower will be a possibility as well. But I tell you what, if you're putting money on it, don't. Or put money on not getting it. And there's your 7-day, and you can see things pretty quiet Saturday and Sunday. I hate to give gambling advice in the middle of the weather forecast. Sometimes you have to do it.
All right. Thank you, Mark. Sports is